Hello guys, you're on to Bricklink TV and you're welcome to another episode of Recycle the Bricks. The passion is to motivate you to for a better version, action and direction via entertainment, content review, and of course some juicy reactions. Today we're going to be reacting to Hosanna by Hotkey, and in the course of this reaction we're going to be discussing social media for the profiting.
I tell you back in the days when me dey booty meta, the niggas with the them no they follow me play. Never for like a so for me play. Hotkey place they go away later. Now we hustle for pay, now the hustle done they pay, yeah. So I be like, oh mama, mom see your boy on the global now. We dey go far now, see the kind place we dey shut down now, yeah. We started from Instagram, take a look at me now.
You see, we started for Instagram, alright? We did what started, the whole process all started from Instagram. A lot of young individuals, content creators have leveraged on the platform of social media, Instagram, to grow, to level up their skill, their talent, their content. A lot of persons like the likes of Chris Clan, Mr. Patrick, a lot of these guys have done a lot of work. I can remember back in the days, if you want to enjoy comedy, if you want a comedian to perform, you have to attend a ceremony, right? Comedians are mostly MCs. Comedians are mostly invited to events, ceremonial events for them to perform, and that is even platform for them to even ask for arms or for support, right? So if you want to enjoy, if you want to sell your talent, right? If you want to sell your creativity, you can only do that in some kind of occasion or some kind of event back in the days, alright. So it was it moved from event platform to TV and radio platform, right? Though still media, right? It transcended from the streets where you have to perform on events, on ceremonies. It transcended to performing on TV and on radio station, right? I can remember the days back in the early 70s and 80s where the likes of Mazin Perempe and Jude Away, alright. Only those like likes of Ali Baba and the older ones may only know these guys, but if you know, you know, alright. So these guys do radio and TV comedy, television and radio broadcast comedy. So it went like that for a while, and it transcended, alright, where Ali Baba came out with the first comedy platform where he did 3 billboard show in sensitive locations in the areas of Lagos State, VI, and some other areas where he did. That was back in 1988. He did that, his first show, and from there comedy began to transcend from one stage, one phase to the other. So it went from that thing. You do not have to wait. You don't have to wait for an event. You don't have to go to an event before you get entertained in comedy, jokes, or some kind of to cracks or to laugh out loud, alright. So it's moved from that phase to the stage phase, alright. Through Ali Baba, he did a lot of shows and a lot of comedy platform, hosting a lot of other comedians, and it transcended from that, right? In recent time, it is even transcending even the more. There's this guy, Crazy Clan, very popular on Instagram. Those guys are millionaires now just because of their regular content. It is very possible for these guys to wait, right? Maybe to wait for them to have some kind of job opportunity, maybe in the film industry, for them to do comedy films. But you do not have to sit and watch a whole 1 hour film, 1 hour 30 minutes or 2 hours film just to get entertained. So these guys have leveraged on the platform of social media, Instagram per se, to grow their following, to explore, should I say, to maximize their potential, right? So what am I saying? Instagram, the thing that I said, we started from Instagram. The same Instagram people go to beggar to publish or to post false life or fake life or put pictures, right? Say another person is using it to push his content, right? Like there's a saying, say what you look should I have my and say, but I just want to say what you look through a face, another man gives your neighbor is a pass. So this is Instagram, one person they condemn like say, okay, people go there to present false life, people go there to beg, or Instagram is data consuming. Some other person is using to drive the content, alright. So like I was saying, you do not have to wait, alright, for a big platform, right? For that billboard show, you don't have to wait for that big mega platform to sell yourself or to put your content out there. You don't have to wait to get that endorsement, to get that opportunity. You can start for as little as Instagram. That same Instagram people are castigating for the data consumption, for the fake and the false life, a lot of false life and a lot of begging and all of that. The same Instagram, some persons is going there to push themselves. Like he said it all, the content, the singer was saying, he said it all started from Instagram. So you see now we don't show, say when they go show, when they go places. Remember where it started? Instagram. The same very Instagram, a lot of persons have castigated over the years, alright? So what am I saying? You do not have to wait to get to that big platform. That this is going to come as a pro tip. I'm going to discuss with you 4 social media platforms that is best for usage in recent time according to WordPress. Alright, the first one here is Facebook, and the second LinkedIn, and the third one Twitter, and the fourth one Instagram. So I'm talking about Instagram, like this thing I say it all started from Instagram. And to surprise you to know that Instagram is not even ranking according to WordPress to be the #1 social media platform in 2020. Alright, Instagram is ranking at the 4th level, but yet it is one platform that somebody has used to push his content, and now he's going to places, and now he's singing Hosanna, and now he's appreciating God that he's being recognized on a mega scale. Alright, Instagram is not the first here. We have the likes of Facebook, we have LinkedIn the second, we have Twitter and Instagram. Instagram happens to be the 4th according to WordPress, but it is that same platform a lot of persons has used to grow their should I say their popularity and all of that. Check the likes of Crazy Clown, they are earning so much in their account as a result of posting, right? Just 15-minute clip or 30 seconds clip, 30 seconds clip, not 15, alright, on Instagram, send their message, alright? So these are the 4 platforms I would, should I say, suggest if you're a content creator to utilize this 2020, alright? Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, and Instagram, alright? Consistent, you do not have to wait, just try to do your thing, like it could be 30 seconds, just as short as possible, and push your stuff to the next level. Alright, that'll be that about that. Alright, just a quick wrap of this episode. It started from Instagram, according to Hotkey. It all started from the same Instagram. A lot of persons have castigated over the years that it's data fine, it's data consuming, a lot of fake life, a lot of begging, a lot of irrelevant, things that may be person that may not be in line with your kind of person, a lot of criticism as against Instagram, but it is this same platform, someone like the likes of Hotkey, Crazy Clown, Mark Angel, and a lot of these guys have used to push their creativity to the next level. You do not have to wait for that billboard in recent time. You do not have to wait to get that, should I say, a miraculous endorsement or a miraculous deal with some record label or with some, should I say, creative media or industry or creative film or music industry to get out there. You can leverage on the power of social media. According to WordPress here, Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, Instagram. I suggest Twitter and Instagram. Grow your following, grow your audience, push your content. You never can tell where it will take you. Like the singer, I say we started from Instagram. See now, we don't go from becoming a superstar. So you never can tell how your content can drive, or social media can drive your content and as well take you to the next level. Alright, thanks for watching. If you like this video, please consider giving it a thumbs up, and with your comment just down there in the comment section. About comments, I want to know what other platform do you think that as a singer, most especially as a singer or as a comedian, what other platform do you think one should leverage and should utilize in recent time to push your content or to push your craft to the next level? I want to know what you think about that, about content marketing. Yeah, I don't know what to think about content marketing or social media for the profiting, right? I don't know what to think about social media for the profiting